Alright guys, so today is currently December 30th, 2025, and today I made $155, which finally means that we can take a $1,000 payout from Topstep. So I'll kind of show you guys my stats. Basically, the account balance right now is $2,143, so we could roughly take out like $1,070 something. Today we did take 13 trades, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a battle. I'm not gonna lie, like the trades I was taking was pretty horrendous. Like I started tilting at some point, and when I did tilt, I started tilting because I instantly got stopped up 2 trades in a row in like the span of 5 seconds. I'll show you guys my trading history, but this is basically the monthly performance, right? As you can see here, 13 trades for $155. I'm not gonna lie, I do miss making like $250 off one trade. Like that was prime trading, right? But you know, if I'm going to continue this, honestly, I think I can just risk like 8 micros and risk a 1-to-1 for 500, right? So I think that's very doable, which honestly I might look into. But basically that's where we're at with the account. I'll show you guys the trading history here. I'm not gonna lie, it's horrendous, guys. It is horrendous. If you look at this is the 15-minute time frame with all the trade executions here. It's so cluttered. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember a lot of the trades that I took here. Let me show you guys. We took a 200. Okay, guys, we started the day off with a $2,000 maximum loss limit, and if you guys just do the math here, at some point we were down to our last $250, which is horrendous. But we ended up crawling out of that drawdown and making it back up to 2K, which is kind of crazy to think about, because like if I just didn't take those initial losses, I would have been up another 2K or a little less than that. But you know what, it is what it is, guys. Like today's trading was horrendous. It was horrendous, but we got out of it. All right, I'm taking this 1K payout and I'm going to start fresh. I'm using the payout to pay off the previous combines, right? And I'm going to use the profits to pass combines, and we're going to start off 2026 strong. So that's the plan, and I'm definitely going to execute that. Yeah, guys, I mean, today was horrendous. I couldn't even tell you like what idea was what. A lot of the break-even trades were in quite a decent amount of profit, but it never hit my actual TP, and you know, it just reversed straight to my break-even, which really sucks because there were so many times where I could have prevented myself from being in such drawdown had I just like closed the trade earlier. But you know what, it is what it is, guys, right? I just wanted to show you guys this, because you know, full transparency. Like I said, you know, I'm now in the position, like, you know, now that I have a 2K balance in my Express account, I know most people would actually, you know, run it up more to like a 4K balance, but knowing myself personally, I've been in this situation before, and last time I was able to get a $1,000 payout, but I wanted more, right? I wanted to build that buffer even more, and I eventually just lost the account, and I couldn't even take a payout from it, which really sucks. So I'm not making that same mistake again, right? I'm gonna take the payout, cover my expenses, and then reinvest into more combines. The combines I'm not too worried about because it's something I'm pretty confident in my ability to pass them. So yeah, that's basically that. I mean, we took some pretty decent trades here. But some trades were just horrendous, guys, like horrendous. yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, guys. I don't remember any of the trades I took today. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. But I'm just gonna call it for the year. I'll show you guys my dashboard actually. So as you can see here, we do have a $2,143 balance. We do have 5 winning days. So if we go to payouts, it does say we are eligible for this amount, and I could click request payout. I think I'm gonna just request it in January, just for tax purposes. And yeah, I mean, also I just need to slow it down. But yeah, I'm pretty excited, guys. I guess that's like okay. I know this video wasn't much of a trade recap, and I'm sorry, guys. Like, there's just so many trades that I took that weren't all that high quality. So that's that. But if you want to take a look at the executions here, you can. Some of the trades honestly did have like some pretty good setups that I did end up taking, like the sweep down here, and then price started displacing higher. And that's when I took shorts. Sorry, that's when I took longs to target the buy side resting up here, which played out very well. I think, you know, if I just stayed patient and just waited for that trade, that would have been amazing. I also entered shorts up here as well. Yeah, 2 minis short, and I got out down here. I think that was the last trade I took, which, yeah, resulted in $960. But my reason being for that one was we ended up sweeping out the buy side, price was pushing lower, inversion, took the shorts, right? That's basically it. Anyways, guys, that'll pretty much be it for today. I just kind of wanted to record this and post a video because it is still a part of my journey. Like, this is the reality of what happened, right? Obviously moving forward, I'm going to try to target 1-to-1s again, maybe risking 500 to make 500, and risk more, like 8 micros or 1 mini. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm very excited for 2026, very confident that great things are going to happen. So yeah, anyways, guys, that'll be all for this video. I'm not sure if I will trade tomorrow. I'm definitely not going to trade on this Express account. I might just trade a couple evals, see what's up. And yeah. But if this is the last video for the year, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for sticking around. Thank you for watching my videos. I know I'm not really providing much value with this video, or honestly, really even all the other videos. But if you guys are learning something from it, that's great. But like I said, I'm just documenting my journey. That was the whole point of this channel, honestly. And yeah, I mean, you know, if you are on the same journey as me, I just want you to know, like, I know trading can get lonely sometimes. So, you know, if we're on the same journey, learning the same strategy, I think it's kind of cool that we're growing together. So yeah, I'm not sure if that made sense or not, but regardless, guys, thank you again. And yeah, Happy New Year's.